Hello everyone, welcome back. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which tool built these websites, how to grab your free credits before this offer changes, and I will walk you through the entire setup process, start to finish. But first, let's see what we built. So I typed the single prompt for each of these websites and they were built in the one go. And we told the our coding agent to build three websites. One is solar system, one is a exploded watch view, and the third one, which is you are currently watching, is we told the coding agent to build something according to you and it should impress us. So it built this website, and other two we show in the promo also. This is the solar system where you can view like info about every planet, and there is a tour view also through which it will automatically move your like view from one planet to another planet. You can pause it, you can hide the orbits, you can hide the labels, and you can manually click anywhere and to get more info. And the third website we made is a exploded watch view. You can explode the watch, or you can view like it this, and you can drag and like stop this auto spin. So this is how this website works, and all three were created using this free coding tool. Before I reveal this tool, you need to understand that this is a AI agent which does not autocomplete the code, which like plans, write code, write test, and fix its own mistake on your own. So it is a like one tool to do everything. Meet the Coder, an agentic coding platform built for real software development. It works inside VS Code, JetBrains, and it also has its own mobile application, CLI, and desktop application also. In this video, we will see the CLI application setup. Currently, it is offering 300 credits on sign up, no credit card requirement, and on the top of it is also giving 200 free calls or free credits. So it is a special offer. I think it is till the end of this July month. So we will see the whole setup process. Now click on this sign in button. Now sign in with Google or email ID, whichever faster to you. I will use Google. The good part about this thing is you can create unlimited account, and you can also go with the like email ID which like retain your data for 10 minutes. I can't name it in the video because there is some like issue. So go to, as you can see that you already like log in with email ID. If we go to my account or in the account setting and go to the usage, there is no credits given, and it is showing that you need to download and sign in with the client to get the 300 credits. So we will go to the CLI, and now I want you to copy the command according to your setup. So we will use PowerShell, that's why we copy this. If you are on Mac OS and Linux, copy this command, and now we will run this in terminal. So as you can see that the Qoder client is installed, but it is not in our path, so we can't access in the like terminal. So we need to add this location to our path. So click on this Windows icon and write E. If you will write E or edit the system environment, it will come up. Open this settings and click on environment variable. Now click on path and click on edit option. Now create new and paste this location you copied. Click OK, OK, OK. If you are on the Mac OS and the Linux, the process is also simple. Just copy the command given on your screen and paste in the terminal and click enter. It will add automatically. Now we will close it and open the terminal again. Now we will launch the Coder CLI. Now we will hit the sign in to continue, and we will choose browser to sign in, and we will click on the continue. It will show the sign in is success. Come to the terminal. As you can see that it is showing the credit exhausted because I earlier made an account and the credit exhausted, and we made a new account also. On that account it is not giving credits. Earlier it was giving on the unlimited account, but currently they are restricting it somehow. So don't worry, you can, if you will sign up and like this, you will get 300 credits over here. And if you will go to the CLI and write down claim option, and there will be a claim ultimate option. You will hit on that and you will get $200 also. As you can see that we should be able to use it because I have ultimate remaining. So as you can see that I can use it. If I go to the uses, my uses is done, but I have ultimate remaining, so that's why I can use it. So somehow they are binding it to the your PC, that's why you can't like create another account and get the credits. So make sure you burn the credit very carefully on your project. So if you can use the virtual machines or something else, you can get the credit according to me, because I was using Arch Linux late night and then Pop OS. I was using the Coder CLI in both of them. So you can use that for a quick tip. So that's the Coder. If it was useful, make sure you subscribe. I break down a new free AI tool every week. No fluff, just what's actually worth your time. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.